Welcome to another video in our XXOTO software tutorial series. Today, we'll explore the mirror function, a key tool for creating mirrored versions of your designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use it for left-hand and right-hand drive vehicle configurations. Let's get started. The mirror function does exactly what it sounds like. It mirrors your selected design. This is especially helpful for adjusting between left-hand and right-hand drive vehicles. XXOTO defaults to left-hand drive models. So if you're working on a right-hand drive vehicle, the mirror function will be essential. Here's how to use it. 1. Select the design you want to mirror by clicking on it. 2. Click on the mirror function. 3. Click and hold the left mouse button while dragging a line in the blank space. This line acts as the axis for the mirror operation. 4. Once you've drawn the line, release the mouse button and the mirrored version of your design will appear. You can mirror your design horizontally, vertically, or even diagonally, depending on how you draw the line. Mirroring based on your line allows you flexibility in how the design is reflected, making it adaptable for different vehicle configurations. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to use the mirror function. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and advanced techniques with XXOTO software.